Now that you have chosen your primary channel, there is one more thing to address before you build your first real campaign. You can choose a good channel. You can draft a plan. You can drive traffic to your pages. But if you cannot explain what you do and why it matters, nothing converts. No clicks, no demos, no pilot, no customers. Many early stage founders get stuck here. They say too much, they use buzzwords, they explain features instead of outcomes. So let us be very clear. A sales pitch is not a presentation. It is not your investor pitch. That one comes later when we talk about fundraising. A sales pitch is for users, leads, and customers. It is about the value they get and the problems they solve. And at the early stage, your pitch has only one job. Make the right person say, "Tell me more." Not buy, just lean in. If your pitch fails, your channel will fail too, even if the channel itself is correct. Your pitch sits at the center of everything we discussed today. It connects your channel, target group, offer, campaign message. That is why early growth is impossible without a clear pitch. Here is one key rule I want you to remember. One pitch per channel. One pitch per audience. If you switch a channel, let's say from cold email to an event, you may need to adjust your pitch. If you switch your audience from HR managers to team leads, same thing. You will need a new version. But in any given campaign, you only use one version of your pitch. That version is focused, specific, and consistent. Don't mix messages. Don't try to speak to everyone. That is how you keep your message clear and your growth on track. So now you know why a clear sales pitch is essential. In early stage growth, you don't need a one-size-fits-all pitch. You need three simple versions. Each one fits a different moment, depending on how much time and attention you have. Let us go through them one by one. Level 1. Attention pitch. Think of this as your elevator pitch, but for customers, not investors. This version is used when attention is short. You will use it in places like cold outreach, the first line of message, social media posts or comments, quick introduction at events. This pitch doesn't explain everything. Its only job is to signal relevance. You can use a simple format you see on the screen. Start by naming one specific role, not just a market. For example, instead of saying "we help companies," say "we help HR managers" or "we help e-commerce founders." Speak directly to the person who feels the problem. Then show one real pain they deal with. Next, promise one clear result they actually want. It should be measurable or easy to imagine. Finally, show that your product removes one big friction that slows them down. Make the outcome feel easier and faster than what they do now. Here are two examples. We help e-commerce founders who struggle with messy order and shipping workflows get real-time visibility in Slack without copying data or writing code. Or we help HR managers who struggle with chaotic onboarding get step-by-step workflows without chasing people or missing documents. If the right person hears this and gets curious, you win. That is what this pitch is for. Level 2. The conversation pitch. This version is for moments when you have a little more time. Use it during intro calls, demo requests, meetings, networking. At this stage, you can share more. Enough to create trust and interest. Structure it like this: who the customer is, what problem they have, Why this problem matters now, how you solve it, what you are doing next. Here's a sample. We work with operations managers at growing startups who run daily work across too many tools. Simple tasks like tracking orders, updates, or issues end up scattered across chats, spreadsheets, and emails. This becomes a real problem once the team grows beyond a few people. Things start slipping, and managers spend their time chasing updates instead of making decisions. We built a lightweight tool that connects the systems teams already use and delivers the right updates into one shared place. No migrations, no complex setup. Right now, we are working closely with a handful of teams to understand their workloads and improve the product week by week. Notice what is missing. No buzzwords, no product roadmap, no big vision. Clarity beats ambition at this stage. Level 3. Conversion pitch. This pitch is used when your goal is to drive a decision. Use it during demos, sales conversation, pilot meetings. Now you add two more elements to your core pitch. First one is proof, numbers, results, examples. And the next one is clear call to action. For example, we help operation teams save time by removing manual coordination between tools. Most teams still copy updates between Slack, spreadsheets, and other tools just to stay aligned. Our product connects the systems they already use and delivers the right updates automatically to the right place. Setup takes a few minutes and doesn't require any code. In the last months, we have onboarded 14 teams. 5 of them use it daily, and one customer measured a time saving of around 4 hours per week for their ops lead. If this sounds useful, we can walk through your workflow in a short demo and see if it is a fit. Keep it sharp, keep it simple, and focus on outcome. After you write your pitch, ask yourself these 3 questions. Is it clear who this product is for? Is the pain obvious without extra explanation? Is the next step clear with a clear action and good reason to follow through? If the answer is no, rework the pitch again. A good pitch feels almost too simple. That is how you know it works.